In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram nickname option not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Instagram, tap on Instagram, up to date in Instagram app if available in update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, then clear storage. Now open Instagram app. Now click on message icon. Not now. Now click on here. You can see that nickname option. Now you can set a nickname here. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram nickname option not